Choosing a career is a pivotal time in one's life, a decision that can shape the trajectory of your future.
It is important to have career days at school. Reason being, it exposes the children to the many different careers, and at the tender age, then they do get an idea of what they want to become. Also, they gain more knowledge because when they see the different type of careers, they do ask questions, and there you're able to educate them on what is there for them in the future.
Yet, amidst the myriad of options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, torn between conflicting interests and aspirations. But finding clarity in this journey need not be daunting. In fact, it can be a fulfilling exploration of aligning your passions with your profession. Take, for example, the passion for cooking. If the aroma of spices and the artistry of food creations ignite your soul, then perhaps a career in the culinary arts beckons.
Did you add your salt? Did you add your black pepper? Thank you for coming to Angels Primary School. And if you're thinking about a career, think about being a chef. Why? Because culinary arts widens your horizon, not only as a professional chef, but it develops a greater appreciation towards food as a culture, as an art, and even health, all of which can be passed on to customers.
But beyond the sensory pleasures of cooking lie a multitude of benefits and opportunities. Having a career in culinary arts offers numerous benefits, ranging from personal growth to skills development, which can lead to a variety of prospects for advancement. Being a chef offers the chance to unleash creativity and innovation in the kitchen as you experiment with flavors, textures, and presentations. As chefs gain experience and refine their craft, a world of opportunities unfolds before them, such as advancement to positions like executive chef or restaurant owner. Furthermore, studying culinary arts may provide individuals with a deep understanding of various regional and international cuisines, which fosters appreciation and respect for diverse culinary heritage. Perhaps most enticingly, the culinary arts empower individuals to pursue entrepreneurship and start their own businesses. Imparting these and other inspiring information is the purpose behind career days at schools, where the dedicated efforts of teachers help to ignite aspirations and guide further paths for success.
We are the teachers of Angels Primary School.
On behalf of the management and flight crew here at Angels Primary School, we thank you for flying with us.
Keep watching as we journey forward, exploring the bright future that lies ahead.